Welcome to AutoTextMe integration training. In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to transfer a ticket from Tekmetric and have it show up on your active customer page in AutoTextMe. We're going to go into Tekmetric here, and we're going to go create a repair order. We're going to use our customer Joe Palooka. You see his first and last name and a phone number are already in place here. And with that in place, all we need is year, make, and model vehicle. And I'm also going to add a purpose of the visit. This isn't a required input, but you'll see where this comes in handy. Rattle over bumps, we'll say. You can be as descriptive as you need to for whatever reason the client is bringing in the car, of course. I'll hit create repair order, and that's that. The repair order is created, and now I can go back into AutoTextMe, and when I refresh the page, we'll see Joe Palooka in the 2002 Honda Odyssey sitting right here. And if I open the details tab, you'll see that our rattle over bumps has transferred in. This comes into play during the DVI. We'll cover the DVI in another video and show you how some of those integrations work. It is a fully integrated DVI in Tekmetric, so look for that release here on this training page as well. Thank you.